How to delete search history on YouTube. If any day any of you are a YouTube user and you would like to delete your search history on YouTube but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very YouTube application on your mobile device. You can find the very YouTube application on your mobile device and then tap on that. Now, after you tap on YouTube application like this, YouTube will be launched on your mobile device. Now, you have to go to your profile like icon on the downside, and after you go to your profile like icon on the downside, you have to go to the settings like gear icon. After you tap on the settings like gear icon, now you can see an interface like this. You have to tap on the option of manage all the history. After you tap on manage all the history, now it will take you to the next interface. So you have to wait for a while until it takes you to the next interface, because that may be the problem of your internet connection out there. If it's fast, then it may be because your internet connection is faster, but if it's less, then it may be because your internet connection is lower. Now, if you would like to delete all your search history, you have to tap on just the cross icon like this, and again you can tap on cross icon like this. If you tap on cross icon like this, the very search history will be deleted. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.